This Marvel-branded wireless Bluetooth earphones are an irresistible choice. It is not just a pair of earphones, but also cleverly incorporates an EDC spinner, showcasing a unique design style. With a full metal body and a hollowed-out chassis, the finely carved logo of Hydra adds to its exquisite craftsmanship. Additionally, these earphones boast professional-grade gaming performance, making them a perfect choice. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip, these earphones offer lower latency and more stable connections. This semi-in-ear design ensures comfort, even during long-term wear, without any discomfort. Furthermore, they come with a steel cable chain for easy portability. Whether it's the stunning appearance or the outstanding performance, these earphones are undoubtedly worth purchasing. Their exceptional design and advanced features will provide you with an exceptional audio experience. Whether you are a gaming enthusiast or a fashion-conscious individual, these Marvel-branded wireless Bluetooth earphones will meet your expectations.